This is the Grohe Essence wall-mounted bath mixer. It is crafted in a timeless, elegant design based on cylindrical shapes. This premium single-lever mixer moves super smoothly, allowing you to control water volume and temperature with ease, even after years of use. The automatic diverter directs the water flow between bath and shower outlet. Finished in durable Grohe Starlight chrome, it attracts the eye and is easy to clean, appearing flawlessly lustrous even after years of use. The basin, shower and bath taps in this range provide a perfect solution tailored to your bathroom. Enduring quality, leading technology, outstanding design and environmental responsibility. This is what Grohe stands for. Grohe Essence. Contemporary design characterized by cylindrical shapes combined with state-of-the-art technology.